Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that dollar yen currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that dollar yen is a long-term bullish market. This month so far we have seen that after previous monthly long week candle, dollar yen has created this bullish move to the upside and has broken all these monthly resistance level. Currently, after breaking this level, we saw the dollar yen started to move down for a deeper pullback. As we see that this is the last week of the month, dollar yen has started to drop. We can expect now the price to come down to create a deeper pullback. As you can see, also dollar yen in this monthly long week candle, this long week still has not been tested. There's an imbalance, and even we could see that dollar yen is breaking down to fill that imbalance before moving towards the upside. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, after previous weekly long week candle in this move, dollar yen started to reject. Now this is the long week candle, previous weekly doji. From that zone, the price created a lower high, and we see that there is a strong rejection. As with that rejection, what I think the dollar yen now, at least we can expect in the first move to break this weekly low to create an overextended market, and then later we can expect a pullback or even dropping further to fill that imbalance in that area. Now if we look at the daily time frame, we see that dollar yen from the daily perspective has formed a double top formation on the daily, and this is the daily strong impulse, quite a few days of movement to the upside. Now with that move, we saw the dollar yen created a drop. Again, the bulls tried to create a new higher high. Instead, we saw that from that zone, dollar yen rejected. Now with that rejection, what I think that this is the support level that we are expecting dollar yen to break. I think the price highly likely will break down further to at least daily 20 MA, or even breaking further to the downside to create a new lower low on dollar yen. Now if we look at further lower time frame from the intraday perspective, from 4 hour, we can see that dollar yen currently created a double top that we can see on the lower time frame. Now with that double top formation, we have seen this breakdown currently, and with that breakdown in this local time frame, we see the potential downtrending market structure. With this doji, the price has created this move correction. We see that it is in another impulsive phase. Now here is the current session's candle. We saw that it crossed this doji's high, tested this important level of support below this doji, which is turning resistance here, tested the 20 EMA, and we saw that the price is now closing as a long bearish engulfer. What I think that on the closing of this candle, we can expect dollar yen after little pullback to continue to drop, as we are expecting the price to break this weekly low. This is the weekly support here, and also this is where the daily 20 EMA. So there is a quite a few gap here to fill on dollar yen. So along this zone, as soon as we see the dollar yen has closed this candle as a bearish candle with a liquidity grab, on the pullback we will consider going short on dollar yen for this potential move to the downside with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.